Number 246. A fish vendor makes it a point to realize a profit of 12.5% of his sales. For how much a kilo should he sell 20 kilos of fish costing 320 pesos? Okay, so pause the video and try to answer. So the choices are 15, 17.50, 18, 19, and 16 pesos. Okay, so let's analyze the problem. For how much a kilo should he sell 20 kilos of fish costing 320 pesos? First, let us solve the price per kilo. So the fish vendor has 20 kilos of fish costing 320. So to get the price per kilo, we just need to divide this. 20 kilos of fish costing 320 pesos. So the price per kilo is just divide 320 divided by 20. Okay? So 320 divided by 20. Let's simplify. We can cancel the zeros. So we just left with 32 divided by 2. 32 divided by 2 is 16. So the price of the fish per kilo is 16 pesos per kilo. Okay? So the fish vendor makes it a point to realize a profit of 12.5% of his sales. So for how much a kilo should he sell? So therefore, he will add 12.5% to the price of this fish, 16 pesos per kilo. And according to the choices, we have 15, 17, 18, 19, and 16 pesos. So letter A is eliminated, 15 pesos, because it is less than. Then letter E is 16. So there is no profit if he sell the fish for 16 pesos per kilo because that is the price, 16 pesos per kilo. Okay, so we have left with letter B, C, and D. Okay, so let us get the 12.5% of 16 pesos and then we will add this to the cost, 16 pesos per kilo. So 12.5% in decimal, that is equal to 12.5. 12.5%. 1/2 is equivalent to 0.5. And in decimal, 12.5, that is equal to 0.125. Okay? So we just remove the percent symbol and then move the decimal 0.12. So we have 0.125. Okay, so or another solution, we can express 12.5% that is equal to 1/8 in decimal in fraction. Okay? So 12.5% that is equal to 1/8 or in decimal that is 0.125. Okay? Because if we convert this 0.125 that is equal to 125 over 1,000. And then if we divide both of this by 125, the answer will be 1/8. Okay, so if you want to use decimal, we can use 0.125, or if you want to use fraction, that is equivalent to 1/8. Okay? So let us multiply 16 by 0.125. So we have 0.125 multiplied by 16 pesos per kilo. So let's distribute 6. 6 times 5, that will be 30. 6 times 2 is 12 plus 3, we have 15. 6 times 1 is 6 plus 1, so we have 7. And then 1 times 125, we have 125. And then add this, 0, 5 plus 5 is 10. Carry 1, 1, 7, 2, that will be 10. Carry 1, 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. We have 3 decimal places, 1, 2, 3. So therefore, 1, 2, 3, we will put the decimal here. Therefore, the 12.5% of 16 pesos is 2 pesos. So how much a kilo should he sell? So the selling price is equal to the cost. Selling price is equal to cost plus profit. Okay? Cost plus profit, and that is equal to the cost is 16 pesos plus the profit 2 pesos, and that is equal to 18 pesos. So he should sell the fish for 18 pesos per kilo, and that is letter C. So it is easier if we use fraction. So we have 16 and then multiply by 12.5%, that is 1/8. So 16 times 1/8. So 16 divided by 8 equals 2. So same answer, the profit is 2. So therefore, the selling price is the cost plus profit equals 18. So follow me for more content like this.